Well, here we are at Fort Zachary Taylor. Here's the underside of the stairwell. It's beautiful brickwork. The doorway.
Oh, it's so pretty up here.
Hey, you guys, come on.
Mom, leave the wagon. Bring Samuel.
Grandma!
Nathaniel, go get Samuel. And
A great picture!
What?
Just leave the wagon. Grab Daddy's bag and Samuel. Mom, just leave the wagon. Nathaniel's coming.
He's coming down to help.
Ready? Let go of the bottle.
Okay.
Mom, grab the black bag too. Nathaniel's going to carry it all up for you.
Hey, Daddy!
The other stuff I'm not worried about at all.
Daddy! Your little hut! This could have been where